That's what worries me. Because remember,
rita ria keri kamiti no gwikinya kiharo-ini giki engineer rugamiririe Waki Wa Kiharo giki John Nduga nerirwo ataririe kuria ciringi milioni 84 ihuthikite una gutiri undu wikitwo tondu kiharo giki kiagiriro ni gukorwo gikirikite miaka 2 mihituku.
And the internal
kuringana na Nduga wira gicunji kia 30% ni murute na ukarihwo akiuga wira ucio niguo urari muritu muno na angiheo besha cia kuigana na aheo ihinda ria mieri 6 wira wa kiharo giki no ukururikite na gutwika besha ni cikuongerereka.
Given the money and assuming all other conditions are constant and remain constant, there are no changes, 6 months we will be able to give this ground.
Mwikariri wa kamiti ya mbunge igii mathako Victor Munyaka augite kiharo giki hamwe na ingi mugwanja ni giconogo kuri thirikari ya Jubilee makiria kuona mutongoria wa bururi na wekinyiti kiharo-ini giki na giathana gikuru igithondekwo na kirike kwa ihinda ria mieri 8 no riu ni miaka 3 na mwene kandarathi ni umagarire.
We'll still insist because these are presidential projects, flagship projects. They need to be given priority, just like other major projects have been given priority. So we want the stadiums because the youth of this country make 70%. And there is issue of unemployment. This could be a good source for employment of our youth. And many other factors related to sports.
Nimokireire ministry ya mathako kuria mbunge wa Webuye West ugite ati besha cia ministry no irahuthika maundu-ini matari na uguni ta mathako ma safari rally akiuga ati Waki Wa Kiharo giki waga gucokereria ihinda-ini ria mieri 3 ni gutwara mendekithia bunge-ini ma kuhagura ministry wa mathako hamwe na PS wake.
Now the Ministry of Sports cannot say they don't have funds because the tax that is coming from gambling and betting, 35% is going direct to this fund. But what are they doing? They are spending this money to the elites. When you take funds to golf and safari rally, then that means that you are isolating the common man who is supposed to play football, who is supposed to run, and who is supposed to play volleyball. So let them get their priorities right. And we are just giving them maybe 2-3 months. If nothing is going to happen at Ruring'u, I as Dan Wanyama, I'm going to initiate an impeachment to the people responsible for the works that are looking very shoddy, and it is an embarrassment to the government of Jubilee.
Mbunge wa Nyeri Town ni Ngũnjiri wa Mbugu ni erigite kwendekithia wira wa Waki Wa Kiharo giki unengerwo ruhonge rwa mbirarũ hamwe na NYS kuna no wo ihinda inini na ningi urutwo na ihenya o uria kwahotekeka.
Ditada tukatagatika haha na kurikia kiharo maundu maria marabatara mangineo koguo gutindu kungiuka gutwike ati mwaka wa 2022 giki kiharo tiako githiro na ndicoke turirikana iki kiharo twina stadium nyingi no ino ni historical significance guku ni ku andu ta Kipchoge Keino matengagira guku ni ku andu ta Catherine Ndereba matengagira guku ino ni state unatukiari horo wa stadium ya gicothe ciraku ino ni stadium ya tofauti muno
mwihoko wa athaki aria othe mahuthagira kiharo giki kia Ruring'u urerereirio kamiti ino agikorwo mendekithia mao kana icera ria uria muthi ni ukorwo rigiciara matunda. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kiharo kia Ruring'u kaunti ya Nyeri njitagwo Wa Ngugi.